My name is Jeff Berthelot. I am the Outreach Liaison with the Invading Species Awareness Program, part of the Ontario Federation of Anglers and Hunters.
And I'm Morgan Daniels. I am the ISAP intern this year.
And so for over 10 years, we've been working with Kawartha Conservation to manage garlic mustard on the property. And we're here today just doing the good work to remove this invasive weed. Thankfully, the patch has been really well managed over the past few years, and there's not nearly as much as there once was, so it's good to see. But yeah, this invasive plant can obviously choke out native vegetation and pose a serious problem to those forest understory ecosystems, and yeah, that's why we're here. Yeah, so garlic mustard, when it gets to this point, it's going to be a very long, thin plant. It's actually a biennial plant, so the first year it's going to produce more of a rosette form of these kidney-shaped leaves that lie very low to the ground. In the second year, the plant is going to create a stem with these very small white flowers, and if you see these kind of branchy looking appendages, that's actually all going to form seeds at one point, so we want to make sure that we remove them before they go to seed. And the best way to tell garlic mustard apart from any other plant is you take a leaf, give it a little rough and round, and it smells like garlic, and that's your garlic mustard.